Her back. Had a couple good more flights with the Transect Beetle. Went really well. I liked it. I dig it. It was cool. Little bit of prop wash coming out of stuff, but not bad. Nothing can be tuned out or just try different battery size, you know. So now we're going to try the iFlight Titan H3. Give it its Maiden. I'm running on a 4S. It's an old LiPo. It's going to crap out soon. We'll give it a whirl. I think the SD card on my air unit filled up right at the end of my last flight, so 32 gig storage doesn't get you too far. We'll see. Alright, let's see what's going on. Fly this bad boy. Just gonna take it easy. I always say that. Alright guys, here we go. Running here, showing the view. I don't know, it's gonna look probably like trash. Whatever, you get some audio. Alright guys, let's do this. Oh yeah, my transmitter has a fan, goggles have a fan, they all have fans, everything's got a fan. Low power mode, unable to record videos. Yeah, let's see what happens when I flick this on. Unlocked. Okay, it looks like only one is recording. Not sure why, but we'll deal with that later. Alright guys, here we go. Whoa. Alright. It's a little slippy sloppy everywhere. Alright. Maybe it's just me. Alright. I want to know why it's only recording to one now. Oh no, this has a different card in it, so it should be fine. I don't know why the air unit's not recording. Maybe I'll try the other card in it, see what's up, you know. But enough of that, who cares? One of them's recording. Let's see. No latency, nothing. I'm not even looking at the numbers. It's all fine. I don't even care. Everything's good. All I'm looking for now is like the battery voltage, because I know these batteries are just toast. Let's see here. I'm doing all right turns. Opposite of NASCAR. Let's mix it up a little. I always find myself like leaning in the direction I'm flying, which is a good idea, I guess. It keeps the antennas pointing that orientation, but sure can make things a little disorientating. It's a bad habit I've always had. Let's just cruise under here. Alright. It's kind of fun just to cruise and just see stuff, guys. It's really a different ballgame. Let's see if anyone's over here in the park. Oh, guys. Nope. It's pretty dead. Sorry, it's a boring flight, guys. Just, wow. Good. Let's check the tune on this real quick. Not bad. I'm probably hitting the yaw a little bit too because the sticks on this transmitter are so loose. Let's do some snaps. That's not good. My rates are pretty low. Yeah, there's some bounce back for sure. That's okay. See that? See that flicker in the camera? It's got some bounce back for sure. To be expected, default everything. I'm sure they try to take it easy and keep the D gains, all this stuff down, keep the motors from getting hot, you know. And I'm running an 850. I think you know, this quad could really use like 1,000 milliamp. I think a little bit of extra weight on here might help it out. Oopsie. Yeah, herky jerky here. Battery voltage is doing okay. Still recording on goggles or whatever it is. Battery's getting low. I'm coming in before the recording craps out on me. Like I said, guys, these are wasted batteries. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, little guy. Don't catch a temper there. That's why I usually throw air mode on a separate switch. That way when you come down, you take air mode off right before you land, and you'll just land on whatever you want. So you can do tabletop landings, this and that. Makes it a lot easier. I'll usually throw it on the same one as the beeper, because then when you're coming in for a landing, people know that you are coming in, because you just flick that beeper switch real quick. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. So far on the DJI, I'm loving it, man. I'm not flying analog for a while, and it's definitely a lot of fun. It's a game changer. It's a whole different experience. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you're all doing great. Thanks, bye.